going to cook some of the beef tapa now. Cook some longanisa as well. You just start poking the longanisas now. Yes, all of that juicy fat is oozing out. And that's exactly what I want to thicken up the sauce. Add some oil in, and I'm going to fry the longanisas a little bit. Wash and peel the potato for the corned beef hash brown. Time to put the corned beef inside.
guys, the food is all prepared, but before you guys continue watching, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, because you know that'll really help me out. And let's go over really quickly what we are eating today before we begin eating. So over here we have is some rice with some jumbo longanisa and some eggs and spicy vinegar. Then we also have some beef tapa, pork tocino, and some corned beef hash. I am so excited. This is the ultimate Filipino breakfast. I know you guys have been wanting me to make like a Filipino breakfast feast. Well, I think this is considered a feast, hopefully. Okay, let's get started. First bite has to be the longanisa, because you guys know how much I love longanisas so much. I want to dip it in some of the spicy vinegar as well, because longanisa is so good with spicy vinegar. Longanisa is so good every single time. Also added some greens today. Let's try a piece of the beef tapa. It's seasoned very nicely. It does have a bit of a chew though. It's a bit thick and chewy, but very good. I want to dip it in some of this spice vinegar too. Everything tastes better in spiced vinegar. Now what I'm really excited about is this beef hash, corned beef hash. I put some potatoes and onions in here as well. I can understand why you guys have been telling me to try this corned beef hash. It is so good. So good. Oh my god. Okay. I need to eat it with some egg actually. Let's make it into a little egg burrito. Corned beef hash. Oh, look at that egg yolk. It's like dripping down. This is my favorite, hands down. This with some longanisa, egg, rice. Oh. Okay. We also have some pork tocino today, guys. Dip that in the spicy vinegar as well. I really love the contrast of the meats. The pork tocino It's like nice and sweet, but then we have this corned beef hash and it's very salty. When you eat them together, it is so good. I love dipping longanisa in egg yolk. It is just so marvelous. Look at this. I call this one a trio taco. We have some corned beef hash, some beef tapa, and also some pork tocino. Oh. This corned beef hash is seriously my new favorite. You guys are gonna see me eating this a lot more often with longanisa. Oh, it's so good. I had a really nice workout this morning, or afternoon actually, and this just tastes so amazing. Lately, I've been trying to work out in the morning. I actually have been working out in the morning, and honestly, if you guys can make time to get some workout in the morning, it's really nice. Like, it will just open up your day. You'll just feel so much better. Okay guys, last bite. We have some pork tocino along with the beef hash. Guys, that is it for today's mukbang, and if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see me eat more Filipino food, make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel. This will really help me out, help out my channel grow, and help out the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched until the end, you're awesome, you're amazing, and if there are any other types of Filipino food you guys want to see me eat, comment down below, let me know, and I'll try my best to try to search for them. Okay, let's grab Gucci really quickly to say bye-bye. Gucci says thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you guys next time.